Have you ever pondered what the future holds for us with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence? In the span of just a decade, AI's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. It's like a wave that has swept across various sectors, permeating into every nook and cranny of our lives. Imagine, one moment you're walking into a hospital, the next, a robot is conducting your health checkup. Or perhaps you're late for work, and an autonomous vehicle whisks you off to your destination. These are not merely figments of imagination, but a testament to AI's potential for future growth. AI is not just a technology, it's a revolution, an era that we are gradually stepping into. But like every revolution, it brings with it a set of challenges and opportunities. As we stand at the precipice of an AI revolution, it becomes imperative to weigh its pros and cons. Artificial intelligence promises a plethora of advantages that could revolutionize our lives. Picture a world where efficiency is the standard, where precision is the norm, and tasks beyond our human capabilities are accomplished effortlessly. That's the world AI is shaping. In healthcare, AI is being used to provide accurate diagnoses, reducing the margin of error and potentially saving countless lives. Imagine a doctor who never sleeps, never tires, and is accessible at any time of the day. That's the promise of AI in healthcare. In transportation, autonomous vehicles powered by AI are not just a concept, but a reality that's steadily gaining traction. The dream of a world where traffic accidents are a thing of the past is slowly inching closer, thanks to AI. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the benefits of AI are many, it is equally important to consider its potential drawbacks. As with any technological advancement, AI too comes with its own set of challenges and potential pitfalls. One of the chief concerns is job displacement due to automation. As AI systems grow increasingly sophisticated, they're capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, potentially leading to job losses. Moreover, there's the pressing issue of privacy. AI's ability to gather, analyze, and use data can pose significant privacy concerns, especially when misused. Another potential risk lies in the malicious use of AI. With the wrong hands at the helm, AI could be used for harmful purposes, such as cyber attacks, deepfakes, and more. Beyond these tangible risks, there are also ethical considerations to ponder. Questions about decision-making autonomy, accountability, and even the concept of artificial consciousness are still hotly debated. So, the question arises, how do we strike a balance between leveraging the benefits of AI while mitigating its potential risks? The future of AI is indeed a complex tapestry, woven with threads of opportunity and caution. In the course of our discussion, we've seen how AI is undergoing rapid growth, with potential benefits that could revolutionize our lives. From improving healthcare to optimizing our work, the possibilities are staggering. Yet, as with all powerful tools, AI carries risks. These range from job displacement due to automation to more profound ethical concerns around privacy and decision-making. It's a delicate balance we must strike between harnessing AI's potential and safeguarding our society. The key, perhaps, lies in thoughtful and ethical AI development. This involves building systems that are transparent, accountable, and respect human rights. It's about ensuring that AI serves us rather than the other way around. As we venture into this brave new world, let's remember, the future of AI is in our hands. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.